Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how we can mine crypto using a shovel.
Wait a minute!
I'm just kidding. So we will be using an Arduino. If you guys have ever looked into crypto mining space, then you guys already know how expensive this mining could be. But in this video we are going to mine crypto using only Arduino, which you can get easily for 4 to 5 bucks. There is a coin named Duino which we can mine using just an Arduino. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First, please go to any of your browsers and search for duinocoin.com. You will be landing to this page. This is the only coin that you can mine with Arduino's ESP8266 Raspberry Pi or with your laptop and computer. If we go to their contact page, then we can see their team. And they are only from 17 to 23 years old, which is quite interesting. They also have a Discord server where you can join to get in touch with the Duino coin community. Now let's get back to the home page. Click on the latest release. This will redirect you to the GitHub page. And from here, scroll down and you can see the zip files. I'm downloading the second one as I am using Windows. From now on, please follow along with me.